Back, police have confiscated drugs worth over 20 million rand from 3 travellers at OR Tambo International Airport in Kempton Park. 2 suspects arriving from South America were apprehended after drugs were found in their check-in luggage. A third was arrested after he attempted to leave the country with drugs in his possession.
While a big crowd awaited Miss Universe Sozibini Tunzi's arrival at the airport, 3 travellers were caught red-handed trying to smuggle drugs in and out of the country.
We were able to detect at least 2 people, a male and a female, that were travelling from South America with drugs. The female was carrying at least just a little over 21 kilos of what is suspected to be cocaine in a check-in luggage, and a male was carrying also cocaine, just over 3 kilos, which was tightly wrapped around his waist. So both of these suspects were profiled initially, then they were searched, and the drugs were found on them. They're currently in police custody. As all of this was happening, while on my way to OR Tambo International Airport, I got a third call to say that we've arrested a 50-year-old man, a South African man, who was attempting to smuggle drugs out of South Africa to Hong Kong. He too was profiled and then eventually searched, and drugs found wrapped around his body. He's currently being processed at the moment. All of these suspects are going to be charged for dealing in drugs.
Police reject reports that OR Tambo has become an easy drug hub for drug trafficking.
Not given the opportunity to respond to that media, particularly that one media article, which of course has sparked other media interest in that particular story, has really put us as an organization or as a country in terms of the capacity and capability as OR Tambo International Airport on the back foot. Because we would have given them the proper perspective. We would have given them the number of people that have been arrested here, the drugs that were recovered, and so forth. I'm not saying that suspects have never passed through this airport with drugs. But what I'm saying is that South Africans could have left from any other country in this continent or whatever other continent and been arrested in those countries where they are incarcerated and not necessarily left South Africa.
The suspects are expected to appear at the Kempton Park Magistrate Court on Monday. Nosipho Mncube, SABC News, Johannesburg.